Engineering marvels surround us, from towering skyscrapers to intricate bridges. These structures are symbols of human ingenuity, but they are not invincible. Sometimes things go wrong, leading to what we call engineering disasters. These disasters can be devastating, causing damage to property and, tragically, even loss of life. Remember the bridge collapse you saw on the news? Or that building that suddenly leaned sideways? These are stark reminders that engineering, like any field, is not immune to errors. These disasters often stem from a combination of factors. Design flaws, material fatigue, and environmental factors can all play a role. Imagine a bridge designed to withstand normal wind speeds collapsing during a hurricane, or a building foundation weakening over time due to underground water seepage. These situations highlight the complex challenges engineers face. This is where the power of artificial intelligence comes in. AI, like a superhero sidekick for engineers, is transforming how we deal with potential disasters. Imagine AI as a tireless sentinel, constantly analyzing data from sensors placed on structures. These sensors gather information on vibrations, stress points, and material conditions, like tiny detectives looking for clues. AI algorithms, with their superhuman ability to crunch massive amounts of data, can detect even the smallest anomalies that might escape the human eye. Think of it like this. AI can spot a crack in a bridge support beam even before it's visible to us. Early detection is key because it allows engineers to take corrective action before a minor flaw turns into a catastrophic failure. The impact of AI in preventing engineering disasters is not a futuristic fantasy. It's happening right now. Take, for instance, the case of the aging bridge in a bustling city. Sensors were installed to monitor the bridge's health. AI algorithms, analyzing the data in real time, detected unusual vibrations in a critical support beam. Engineers, alerted immediately, were able to reinforce